Hey, I want to welcome you to the gathering. This is like welcome to the studio of the gathering, because that's what we're going to do. We're going to take a quick walk around the back studio for the Gathering of Good People, so you can kind of see our layout. We're about to kind of relaunch. We're going to get our website up and going and get all of our videos and blogs and podcasts going. And we're going to get this thing rocking for 2020. So to get you guys excited, I thought I'd give you a quick tour of what this place looks like and kind of what it is from the backside. So let me flip my camera around and I'm going to give you a quick peek of what we do here at the Gathering of Good People. All right, this is our studio. I have some of the lights out because I just didn't want it to be too bright for us. But this is basically what we got going on here. We got our soundproofing, we got our lighting, we got our stage set up. That's my, right there, see if I can see that right there. It's my platform where I stand for our videos, some of our lighting and background gear. And this is kind of what we do to make it happen here. This is our camera, and you can see my teleprompter in place so I can see what I'm doing. And then back here, I have kind of like a second studio. This is where I do my kind of more my office looking shots. So I'll just flip the camera around and shoot that as a background. So it looks like more like I'm in my office. And yeah, we're using wireless mics with a Panasonic Lumix FX1000. I don't know if anybody cares about that one, but it's really great because I can use it remotely, and it really helps me to kind of do things without having 2 or 3 camera people here. I can just do it all off my iPad and see what's going on. So this is our big green screen. So what you do is just try to shoot everything on the green screen in that way. I could put any kind of background we want on it and then be able to be anywhere and go anywhere. All right, well, that is what our studio looks like. Basically, the idea, the intent with the Gathering of Good People is that what we're doing here is we're creating online support, an online support system for you to help you grow emotionally, relationally, and also spiritually, because we really feel like it's growth. It's the reason why you're depressed, or why you're having anxiety, or why you're having unhappiness, or whatever the problems are in your life. The reason why things are not working out for you is because you're not growing and you're stuck in your life. And so that's what we want to do, is we want to help create the growth that you need so you can find the happiness that you're looking for. And you're going to learn a lot more about all that as you watch our videos, tune into our podcasts, and get on our website and see our blogs. All of that is at thegatheringofgoodpeople.com, or you can do it podcast Gathering of Good People, or you could do YouTube Gathering of Good People, whatever you want to do, where it's all there. All right. Look forward to talking to you soon. Let's get this going. Again, I'm Brett, your favorite shrink, and I am going to be excited about having you join our Gathering of Good People. Take care.